Hindi mo naman kinakailangan maging mayaman para masabing umaapaw ka eh. Hirap intindihin, ano? Sa totoo lang, na-realize ko, minsan ang standard natin yung standard ng iba eh. Sa totoo lang, standard ng God iba eh. Masasabi mong umaapaw ka at nakakapagbigay ka kasi umaapaw ka. So it depends on yung value na nakikita mo sa sarili mo because of your relationship with Christ. No? So because of your relationship with Christ, yung identity mo nagbago. From that of being poor, naging rich ka. From that of being a victim, naging a winner ka. Simply because of that relationship with God Himself. No? So therefore, when you journey in this world, you see yourself as somebody who is a giver, who is a problem solver, somebody who can give rather than receive. And if you keep on doing that, you will see the result in your life. It becomes like your lifestyle is to give. And God looks at you as a channel of blessing, and therefore, the more you do that, the more you're able to receive. That's the kind of abundant life that we can have by having a relationship with God.